In vibrant Lagos, the morning sun shines down as young girls, each filled with hope and excitement, arrive at the Spark Girls workshop. Meet Dara, Ada, Kemi, Ola, and Simi, all eager to explore their dreams. As they gather in a circle, laughter fills the air while they discuss small business ideas, learning that managing a business starts with simple skills. The lessons unfold like the lively city around them. In the bustling Ibadan market, Dara carefully arranges her handmade bracelets, discovering the importance of planning what to sell. Nearby in Akiti, Wura counts her earnings and jots down notes, understanding that keeping records is key to success. Her stand in Ikea, Kemi happily sells snacks, always treating her customers with respect, recognizing that every interaction counts. Back at the workshop, the girls share their ideas, realizing that good management will help their businesses flourish. As they step outside, a newfound confidence radiates from them, ready to take on the world.